guys, we have some exciting news to share. I'm Nikki Laird, Master Kiltmaker here at the Kiltmakery. We're getting ready to launch our brand new online kiltmaking course. Anyone who knows us knows that we feel kiltmaking is more than just sewing a garment. It's about preserving one of Scotland's finest traditions. Every kilt we make tells a story, and every stitch reflects generations of craftsmanship. So we would love to share that with you. Filmed right here in our workrooms, you'll see that a traditional kilt isn't rushed. It's carefully measured, expertly pleated and stitched by hand with patience, precision, blood, sweat and of course tears. We will teach you the same traditional techniques that Scottish kilt makers have refined over the years. Whether you've never made a kilt before or you're looking to refine your skills, we will guide you through every step of the way. This will include understanding tartan, taking accurate measurements, pleating, hand stitching, fitting, pressing and finishing a traditional kilt to a professional standard. So along the way, you'll learn the hints, the tips, the techniques, the workroom knowledge that can only come from years of experience. When you come in our course, you're not simply learning how to make one kilt, you're actually becoming part of a living tradition, learning alongside a community that values craftsmanship, heritage, and doing things the right way. Together we'll create a kilt you'll be proud of for years to come. This is just the beginning. We can't wait to share more with you over the coming weeks. Make sure you're following us to keep an eye on any news, updates and of course the official launch date. Can't wait to see you then.